The DMAIC process is a data-driven improvement cycle used for optimizing and stabilizing business processes and designs. It is a fundamental part of the Lean Six Sigma principles and stands for define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Each phase of the DMAIC process is crucial in identifying issues within a process, solving them, and ensuring that they do not recur. Firstly, in the define phase, the project goals and customer deliverables are established. This involves identifying the problem, setting the objectives, and outlining the project scope. Here, the team works to create a clear definition of the problem they aim to solve, understanding who the customers are and what their expectations are. The define phase sets the foundation for all future efforts. The measure phase focuses on collecting data and determining the current performance level of the process. The team selects appropriate metrics to quantify the problem, which includes identifying key performance indicators and the baseline measurements for those indicators. This phase establishes the baseline performance against which improvements will be measured. In the analyze phase, the team examines the data collected in the measure phase to identify the root causes of defects or inefficiencies. They use various analysis tools and techniques to uncover patterns or consistencies in the data that could hint at underlying problems. Determining the root cause is essential to ensure that solutions focus on eliminating the true issues rather than symptoms. The improve phase involves creating solutions to fix the problems identified in the analyze phase. Creative and focused brainstorming leads to potential solutions, and after evaluation, the best ones are implemented. This phase often involves running pilot tests to evaluate the effectiveness of the proposed solutions before full-scale implementation. Finally, the control phase is about maintaining the improvements made in the previous stages. The solutions, once proven successful, are documented, and a control plan is implemented to monitor the process long-term. This phase includes developing mechanisms to ensure that the problem does not reoccur, often through standardization and continuous monitoring of key performance metrics. The DMAIC process is iterative, meaning that it can be repeated to ensure that the process is in constant improvement. This methodology helps organizations to optimize performance, reduce inefficiencies, and strive for higher customer satisfaction.